Emily and the Kindness Compass. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a little girl named Emily. She was known far and wide for her kindness and compassionate heart. One sunny afternoon, as Emily was exploring the dusty old attic of her grandmother's house, she stumbled upon a small wooden box hidden behind some long-forgotten trinkets. Curious, she opened the box and found a beautiful compass with intricate carvings and a soft glowing light at its center. As soon as she touched it, the compass sprang to life, its needle spinning wildly before settling on a direction. Intrigued, Emily watched as the compass pointed towards a nearby park. Without hesitation, she grabbed a basket of snacks and set off, following the compass's lead. When she arrived at the park, she saw a group of children sitting forlornly on a bench, their faces drawn and sad. Emily knew that the compass had led her to them for a reason. She approached the children, offering them snacks and a smile, and soon they were laughing and playing together, their spirits lifted by Emily's simple act of kindness. As she continued on her journey, the Kindness Compass led Emily to a bustling city where she encountered a stray kitten meowing pitifully in the alley. Without hesitation, Emily scooped up the kitten and nursed it back to health, finding it a loving home with a kind-hearted family. The compass glowed brightly, rewarding Emily for her selfless act. Throughout her travels, Emily met people from all walks of life. A lonely elderly man in need of company, a struggling family in need of food, a group of animals in need of shelter. With each person she helped, Emily felt a warm glow in her heart, knowing that she was making a difference in the world. One day, as Emily followed the compass to a remote village in the mountains, she encountered a group of children who had never seen a kind gesture in their lives. They were wary of Emily at first, but as she shared her snacks and played with them, they began to trust her. The children opened up to Emily, sharing their fears and dreams, and together they planted a garden filled with colorful flowers and vegetables. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Emily's acts of kindness spread far and wide, inspiring others to follow in her footsteps. The Kindness Compass grew brighter with each good deed, its light shining like a beacon of hope in a world filled with darkness. One night, as Emily slept soundly in her cozy bed, the Kindness Compass suddenly began to glow brighter than ever before. It pulsed with a brilliant light, illuminating the entire room and filling it with warmth. Emily woke with a start, her heart pounding in her chest as she saw the words, "Thank you, Emily," written in glowing letters on the ceiling. And in that moment, Emily knew that her journey had only just begun. Armed with her Kindness Compass and fueled by her boundless love for others, she set out to change the world one act of kindness at a time. And so the tale of Emily and the Kindness Compass spread far and wide, inspiring others to follow in her footsteps and spread love and compassion wherever they went. And so, dear reader, remember this tale of Emily and her extraordinary gift. For in a world that can often seem dark and bleak, it is the light of kindness that shines the brightest and brings us all together in love and unity. So let us all be guided by our own kindness compasses, and may we always remember that a small act of kindness can spark incredible change.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.